Hello everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to install Spotify on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app and click on search and search Spotify. And click on Spotify. If you want to install Spotify, click on Spotify and click on install. After click on install, you will see Spotify is installed. Install according to your internet connection. After install, Spotify is showing on your app list. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can install Spotify on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.